In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Ikura on MetaMask with SushiSwap and Crypto.com. Very simple and very easy. So let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. We're going to do this step by step with the steps that you see right in front of you. The first thing you want to do is make sure you are connected with MetaMask, and you can do this from your desktop or mobile device. And what we want to do is make sure we're on the Harmony One mainnet, and I'll show you. So if I'm in MetaMask and the first thing I see is Ethereum mainnet, and if I don't see Harmony mainnet, I want to go to my accounts, click on settings. The next thing is click on networks, and then from here, Harmony mainnet. Now, if you do not see the Harmony mainnet information in here, you want to click on add network and copy the same information, the same exact information. I'll even zoom in for you can see this. So you want to go ahead and copy this information, click on add network, paste this information and save it, because Ikura is on the Harmony network. So you want to make sure you do this. It's connected with Harmony. So let's go ahead and go back to the main area. Then after you add all that, you go to Harmony mainnet and you should see this already in here. All right. So that's the first steps there. The second step is then add Harmony mainnet information, which we just did, and then confirm your Harmony mainnet information and your MetaMask address. So now this is a Harmony main network. This is our address for the MetaMask address. I'm going to copy this. So let's go back to the next step. Then the next step is going to say copy your MetaMask address. Then we want to buy Harmony One on Crypto.com, Binance, Kucoin, or any other. And I'll show you exactly what all the places that you can do that at. Harmony One, and I'll just go there for real quick. Harmony One, you can buy on a list of exchanges. So if you go to market, these are all the places you can buy Harmony One. Binance, Kucoin. You can also do Crypto.com, which is right here. We're going to use Crypto.com. So I already have my cell phone already ready to go, and we can go ahead and use this. So this is Crypto.com. I'm going to show you right here. Let me bring this up. Boom. So this is Crypto.com, and this is Harmony. So if I want to go ahead and get the Harmony, if I want to buy Harmony, so I'll go back up a little bit. If I want to buy Harmony, I'll just go click on track at the bottom, and I usually just type in Harmony. And then you see it down here, click on there, and that's Harmony. You can buy Harmony right here. And then from there, you can just buy here $50 and just buy Harmony, just like that. Okay. After you buy Harmony, you will go right to the account, crypto wallet, and you'll see it right there. Click on Harmony. You see that? Then click on transfer. After that, you click on withdraw. You want to go to external wallet. And then from here, this is where you'll add in that address that we just talked about, which is right here. See this copy here? You go right back here. And from here, you click on this button right there, wallet address, okay? And you will paste that address already there. I already set up the account already, but if I didn't, I will paste my Harmony address right here. See this? So right there. But since I already have it, I don't have to do that. And what I did, I named it MetaMask, Ikura, I named it MetaMask. So you'll name it any name you would like. Then from there, once this address is already there, you click on withdraw and you go ahead and withdraw your Harmony. You see that? So if I want to do maximum out, I'll withdraw it. And then I can go ahead and confirm that, and it'll be sent to here. See that? This $50 will be sent to here. See this address, it matches. Confirm, it'd be sent here. Okay. Once that's over, your Harmony 1 will come in just like you see here. All right. The next step, if I go here, would be, so we send Harmony 1 to your MetaMask. I'll show you how to do that. Is go to SushiSwap, and let's go there right now. So SushiSwap, and that's the address, app.sushi.com, and then /swap. So you already have your Harmony 1. And the next thing you want to go ahead and do is you want to select a token. We can type in Ikura just like that. Or one area you can do is you can go to the Ikura app.ikura.1, and you can actually copy the address here. You see that? This is another way you can do it. And you can paste it right there, and it will show up as well. Okay? That's from the Ikura website, but if that's only if you don't see it if you're searching for it. But if you see it searching for it, you can just type in Ikura. All right? Just like that. Now from here, I have 14.1 tokens because that's what it says here. All right? And then I can say, well, let's move over about 8 tokens over, 8.9, because I want to use at least some for gas fees. So from here, I'll click on swap, and here is the information breakdown from exchange rate all the way down to slippage tolerance. Confirm the swap, dismiss. So this means, let me go ahead and make sure I have enough here. Should be good. And let me swap here, make sure I have enough. Confirm. So I have to go back and make an adjustment. Let me see here, say estimation. Let me make sure I've got my slippage is okay. Let me change my slippage. From here, let me adjust my slippage. From there, anytime you get a dismiss or any type of error, sometimes you need to adjust either the amount here or your slippage. On this, we're going to adjust our slippage to make sure this goes through. And so unexpected issue estimate. Okay, let me make sure here. Try it again. Adjust the slippage again. Let me see here. Okay. Confirm. There we go again. And then we want to go ahead and confirm this. Add to Ikura to MetaMask. Add token. Now, you only do this if you have not have Ikura to your actually MetaMask. So you only do this if it's not added on there. So I've already added it on there. So now it says swap this for this. So what I did was I had to adjust my slippage to 5 instead of the 3 or the 4. So I'm glad that this happened, but you can see that sometimes that you may make adjustments before things go through. So I just needed to adjust my slippage to 5 and it went through. Now, if I go back and go to my MetaMask, you will see this actually went through. So a core number has went up. And let me go back over here. Add token. So now it's all complete. And here is the transaction that just happened a few minutes ago. That's it right here. The gas price was that. Total was this. So the biggest thing what I needed to do was adjust my slippage and it would have went through. So 5 seemed like that's the magic number. And now my Ikura is right into my MetaMask. I see it right here. And I still have a little bit of Harmony 1 to go ahead and do it. Let me go ahead and do this one more time. And I'm going to do it with the higher slippage. So this time I'm going to just leave it with do 5 here. And I'm going to leave the slippage at 5. And let's see if this goes completely through this time. Confirm. See, it worked. Went through. So 5 was the magic number. Let's go ahead and confirm one more time. The gas fees are very low on Harmony 1. Add Ikura to MetaMask. I've already have it in MetaMask. You see it right here. And so then now I can just close this out. I can view on Explore, so it'll show me exactly what happened. Just loading up right now. Success. And here's the information that you see. And then I go to MetaMask and I see it here. And I click on there. And go back. Activity. Yeah, there you go. See it right there. And it's the transaction I just did there. And that's it. So let me go back to the steps. Swap Harmony 1 tokens to Ikura, which we just did. Check your MetaMask to check your Ikura. And you are all set, and you have your Ikura right in your MetaMask account. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Click on the link below to get started to start buying your first or your second or your third Ikura, and I'll see you on the next video.